There is so much to unpack about the Sony a7R Mark IV that my head hurts. Not only that, but yesterday Sony also announced a new mic, which when I first saw it, thought was just part of rigging. I was waiting for them to attach the mic. It's the mic itself. So this morning we're going to compare the sound quality of this mic to what is now already the new go-to, no pun intended, for the vlogging community, the press, the Rode Wireless Go, which is attached to my shirt with a Rycote sticky so that it then doesn't collapse inward and simultaneously muffle and distort the sound. The pattern, because there are 3 patterns from which you can choose on the mic that you're listening to right now, is the hyper-directional. And Claudia, if you would, please change it to the middle setting. And now you should be hearing more of the sounds of New York, brought to you by an open window on the 18th floor of the hotel we're staying at in Manhattan. Now we're going to go to the omnidirectional setting, Claudia, if you would. And at this point, you should be picking up even more sounds. Although, this is kind of funny, isn't it? Because this is the first time we haven't heard sirens constantly. Anyway, this is a quick test of the mic and a comparison to a wireless lav. What a couple of days. For 3 Blind Men and an Elephant, I'm Hugh Brownstone. See you next time.